So you've got into the Amazon Influencer Program, now what? Today we're going to talk about what you should and shouldn't do once you get approved into the Amazon Influencer Program. My name is Lauren. I've been in the Amazon Influencer Program for almost 5 months now. I've seen great growth and I'm here to help you answer the question about what to do when you get approved for the program. First, I want to let you know about a free Amazon influencer support group that I host along with some friends. There's tons of other influencers in there at all different levels. If you want to jump in, I'll put the link down in the description. It's completely free and we're happy to have you there. But now let's talk about what we should do after we get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. All right, one mistake that I made when I first got approved to the Influencer Program was I went ahead and I just started posting a bunch of videos, photos, idea lists. And what I didn't find out until after that was that there's a second approval process for on-site commissions. I made a video about on-site commissions if you want to watch it here to get more detail about how they work. But just know, once you get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, if you want to apply and get approved for on-site commissions, meaning Amazon will show your videos and photos for you to customers already on Amazon that you can earn commission from, there is a second approval process that they tell you to only put 3 videos on your storefront and then your profile will go into review. Now, before you put your 3 videos, you want to make sure you put your profile picture, put a banner on your storefront, and make sure you have a bio that explains your storefront or you or what you're about. And then once you have your 3 videos on there, stop posting. You'll see your little blue lock symbol on your dashboard and it'll send you a message that your account is in review. So leave only those 3 videos on until your account is out of review and you get approved for on-site commissions. You do get 3 tries. So if you do get denied the first time, delete those 3 videos and then you can post a new 3 videos. This is the biggest mistake that I see people making when they get approved to the influencer program. They think it's just, let's go, we're ready to go, we're ready to make commissions. But most people are making their commissions with on-site commissions. So if you want to get approved for that, take a second, set up your profile, get just those 3 videos up, no other lists, no idea lists, no curations. Put those 3 videos up, and then once you get approved for on-site, it's free reign, you're ready to go. You can go wild and start posting tons on your storefront. So to recap, you get approved for the influencer program. Set up your profile, your picture, your banner, your bio, and then post 3 shoppable videos of single product reviews on your storefront. Get approved for on-site commissions, and then you can go ahead and start building out your storefront. Hopefully this helped. If you want to learn more about on-site commissions, how the influencer program works, again, I have the link to that free support group in the description below, along with a free guide that you can download if you'd like to learn more about these steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more Amazon influencer tips, and I will see you guys in the next video.